Hello YouTube, did you know that if you microwave spots, you can disinfect it because the microwave power help to kill the bacteria that is and the fungus that is hiding in the sponge. Yeah, but you have to have a damp sponge with water because microwaves work by heating water molecules, and you have to put it for almost 2 full minutes to have your sponge disinfected, and it's about 99% of germs killed by that way. Well, the advice is also to microwave your sponge regularly. Thank you.